Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my EVS class. Today, we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, birds. We are going to do the exercise of chapter number 4, birds. So, today's question is true or false, that you are going to find at page number 204 of your textbook. So, very first thing, write today's date. Today is 29/04/2023. On the red line, write the chapter's name, birds. Leave the first line, write the question from the second line. The question is, state true or false. Number 1, birds are toothless. Read and write along with me, children. Birds are toothless. And you know the answer, children. This is true. Birds are toothless. Yes, birds are toothless. Second one, a vulture. A vulture. Check out the spelling. Vulture. Vulture is a seed hyphen eating bird. A vulture is a seed eating bird. And the answer to this one is false. Vulture is a scavenger. It is not a seed eating bird. Now come to number 3. Third one is a duck has holes on the sides of its beak. And this statement is true. 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 Yes, the duck has holes on the sides of its beak. Number 4. Herons have very short legs. The answer is false. Herons does not have short legs, it has long legs. Now come to number 5. Fifth one is a bird a bird has has a very heavy body? Answer is false. The bird does not have a heavy body. It has light body so that it can fly easily. So this statement is false, children. A bird has a very heavy body. False. Number 6. A bird can fly A bird can fly using its wings. This statement is true. And you all know that the bird uses its wings to fly. So this statement is true. Can we repeat this all together, children? Repeat after me. State true or false. Repeat after me. Birds are toothless. True. Birds are toothless. True. A vulture is a seed-eating bird. False. A vulture is a seed-eating bird. False. A duck has holes on the sides of its beak. True. I repeat, a duck. Repeat after me, children. A duck has holes on the sides of its beak. True. Next one. Herons have very short legs. False. Herons have very short legs. False. A bird has a very heavy body. False. Once again, a bird has a very heavy body. False. And the last one is a bird can fly using its wings. True. A bird can fly using its wings. True. So this was all for today, children. Thank you.